Welcome back everybody, my name is Alex, and today we're going to take a look at the video conferencing features of the best app that you've probably never heard of before. It's called Taskade. Now for those of you who are unfamiliar, Taskade is the best real-time organization and collaboration tool out there that's built specifically for remote teams. And I'm going to show you why with its video conferencing features, you need to stop using Zoom immediately, assuming that's what you've been using, and switch over to Taskade today. So let's jump right in and I'm going to show you exactly how these video conferencing features work. Now, when you first open up Taskade, you're going to see your dashboard here. On the left side, you have your workspaces. And in the middle, you have your projects that are associated with those workspaces. These are like, if you're familiar with Evernote, these are like the notes, and the workspaces on the left might be the folders that the notes are placed in. But again, we're talking about video conferencing features here. So we're going to go into the weekly conference project. This is the project within my Pfizer workspace, which is the project that we're working on right now. So you go into this project, and this has our agenda, our schedule, our upcoming projects, the stuff that we need to talk about. And on the right side here is the chat box. This is what I call the chat box. So this is where you can send notes, text notes specifically, just like that. You can tag people, add emojis, upload files. And then on the top right here, you're gonna see the video call button. And this is how you would start a video conference, just like you would with Zoom. So we're gonna start that up right now and see what it looks like. One click and boom, instantly we're already in there. It's already set up and already going. Very little fuss. Now, there are other options you can do here, like go into full screen mode. You can also toggle the tile views, which are useful when you have multiple people in the call, which you can do, which actually I'm gonna show you how to do right now. I'm gonna open up Taskade on my phone in another account and join this video conference so you can see exactly what it looks like. So now I'm just opening up the app. I'm going to go into the weekly conference project under the Pfizer workspace, go to the chat buttons in the top right and hit the little telephone icon. This is also the video conference icon. And here we have it. I am now in a video conference with myself. Hello. Hello. Now, another important feature that you need for remote work and video conferencing is the ability to share your screen. And you can obviously do that down here on the bottom left. Very simple. And you can choose between sharing your entire screen, just a specific application window, or a Chrome tab, or whatever applications you have open. So let's just pick my entire screen here. And now taking a look back at the phone, this is what that might look like for someone who's using the conference on mobile. You can zoom in, you can toggle with it and play with it to make sure it's exactly how you like it. And that's pretty much it. That is exactly how easy it is to start a video conference call with Taskade and collaborate with other people on your remote team. Remember, you can keep notes and type up projects and just keep everything organized on this left side while you're in the video conference call on the right side. And there you have it. That was a quick look at Taskade's video conferencing features. Now, important to know that Taskade is completely free. So everything that you just saw me do, you can do right now yourself. All you have to do is go to taskade.com and sign up for a free account. So thank you so much. Again, my name is Alex. I hope you found this helpful and good luck with your remote team work.